everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video ever in my channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you my DIY slime kit. This is very new. Okay, so let's open this box. These are the decorations. They are foam balls. Some decorations like this. What is this? It's like nice. There are many colors like this. And this one, and also this fruits. It's very cute. Foam balls again. And this decoration. There are sequins and also butterflies and all. This is the most biggest one. I love this very much. They are very nice. There are also glitters in it. Okay, so these are the slimes. But this slime is I opened it first because I love pink very much. This is already decorated by me. This slime has blue, purple, clear slime and yellow slime. I actually have 6. The last one is green, but I gave it to my little brother. He's playing with it now, so I can't show you guys. Sorry. Maybe you can see it in the next video. So let's see my slime. So this is my slime. I decorated with sequins, dragon fruit and all. Clear pink slime. I love it very much. It's too satisfying and very good. Okay. So guys, hope you like this video, and also I'll do another video about decorating one of these slimes. So I'm going to choose a slime from this 4 slimes, okay? What to decorate next, okay? So hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget also to subscribe this channel and also like this video. Bye guys!